Meanwhile... Now that my machine is complete, I can start the next phase of my master plan. I'll create chaos all over the planet. Let's start with Griffin Rock, hometown of the meddlesome robots.
Oh no! What's going on? Rescue bots! This is an emergency! Please respond! We've lost communication with the rest of the world! The only place left online is Griffin Rock, where it looks like the volcano is erupting! We gotta roll out right now! Boulder! Blades! Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! Citizens are scattered throughout the city! We've gotta go save them! I believe in you, Blades! My scanner spotted a civilian nearby! Careful, bud!
Thank you!
Phew. I can hear a call for help!
Please, help!
Power up and energize! Someone in need is close by!
Stop!
Yes! You were great, Blades! Good job! We saved so many people! You truly are a real hero! I'm glad you're here! We need all the help we can get! Come on! Lava is flowing through the city! Who should we bring on this mission? Boulder! 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 Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! A giant flow of lava is approaching! We gotta reach the citizens before the lava does! I trust you, Boulder! Power up and energize! Careful, bud! Watch out for these obstacles! Ouch! Power up and energize! Nicely done, Boulder! Noble! We rescued everyone from a deadly lava bath! We need to get people away from the volcano! Who's best suited for this mission? Boulder! Blades! Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! Citizens are scattered throughout the city! We've got to go save them! I trust you, Boulder! Someone in need is close by! Ouch! Power up and energize! My scanner spotted a civilian nearby! Yikes! Wait, Boulder! I can hear a call for help! Careful, bud!
I'm over here!
Nicely done, Boulder! Be careful of the falling magma rocks and get to those civilians! I believe in you, Blades! Watch out for these obstacles! Power up and energize! Ouch! Yikes! Power up and energize! Yes! You were great, Blades! Good job! We saved so many people! You truly are a real hero! We have to get rid of the disaster machine once and for all! Who's best suited for this? Boulder! Blades! Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! There's the disaster machine! Quick! We need to defuse it! I trust you, Boulder! Power up and energize! Nicely done, Boulder! There's still more bots left in the squad! I believe in you, Blades! The rest of the squad is gone. Time to take care of the leader. Watch out! When the Morbot is charging its cannons, it means it'll attack soon. Yikes! Ouch! Let's try again. I believe in you, Blades! The rest of the squad is gone. Time to take care of the leader. Watch out! When the Morbot is charging its cannons, it means it'll attack soon. Watch out! When the Morbot is charging its cannons, it means it'll attack soon. Watch out! When the Morbot is charging its cannons, it means it'll attack soon. Yes! You were great, Blades!
There is no way you can crack my brilliant design! Wait a second! This was a decoy machine! Its only purpose was to waste your time! Good luck finding the real one, you glorified toasters!
It's not over! Dr. Morocco will never beat us! We detected a Morbot king in the city! Dr. Morocco must be close by! Who should we bring on this boulder? Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue!
Oh my! Just what the doctor ordered! This city will get a taste of my latest technology!
We will stop you, Dr. Morocco! Your Morbot king is not gonna last forever!
Absurd! My latest updates will annihilate your precious rescue bot!
I believe in you, Blades! Watch for the drills! Each one can only hit one lane! Move out of the way when it starts spinning! Yes! The Morbot King loses energy when he crashes into his own crystal spheres! That's the key to defeating him! We found your weakness, Morocco! It's only a matter of time before you run out of juice!
Impossible! My design is flawless!
I trust you, Boulder! Ouch! Yikes! Nicely done, Boulder! Great teamwork! That Morbot King was dangerous. I hope Morocco doesn't have any more in store.
You meddlesome robots! I must leave now. I have no doubt we'll have time enough for chatter at a later time.
I can't believe this! We almost had him! Here we go again! We've re-established communication with Sepelago! A massive thunderstorm is swooping towards the city and bringing a tsunami in Boulder! Blades! Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! A tsunami is about to hit! Let's get the last citizens to safety! I trust you, Boulder! Power up and energize! Careful, bud! Nicely done, Boulder! We have to outrun this thunderstorm and make sure no one is left behind! I believe in you, Blades! Yikes! Power up and energize! What a rush! Thanks to you, everyone is safe! People are stranded in the hurricane! Who's best suited for this mission? Blades! Boulder! Rescue bots! Roll to the rescue! Citizens are scattered throughout the city! We've got to go save them! I believe in you, Blades! I can hear a call for help!
Please, help!
Someone in need is close by!
I'm stuck!
My scanner spotted a civilian nearby!
Help! Thank you!
Phew.
I'm over here! Thanks!
Phew. Power up and energize!
Please!
Yes! You were great, Blades! We have to outrun this thunderstorm and make sure no one is left behind! I trust you, Boulder! Yikes! Power up and energize! Watch out for these obstacles! Ouch! Nicely done, Boulder! Good job! We saved so many people! You truly are a real hero!